If you want to send automatic emails without lifting a finger, Make.com makes it super simple. In this video, I'll show you how to send auto emails using Make.com in just 1 minute. Start by creating a new scenario in Make.com. Once the editor loads, search for your trigger app. This could be anything like a new form submission, a new row in Google Sheets, or even a new task in your project management tool. Choose the trigger that fits your workflow and connect your account. Now, add your second module by clicking the plus icon and searching for email. You'll see options like Gmail, Outlook, or Make's own built-in email module. Select the one you use, connect your account, and choose the send an email action. In the email settings, you'll find out the recipient's address, subject line, and message body. You can even use dynamic fields from the triggers tab, like including someone's name or message content from a form. This makes your email feel personal, even though it's fully automated. Before going live, click run once to test it. If everything looks good, hit save and switch on the scenario. From now on, every time your trigger event happens, Make.com will automatically send out your pre-written email. And just like that, your auto email system is ready in under a minute. If this video helped you, hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick automation tutorials.